Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to download and install Zoom on Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, type here Microsoft Store, open Microsoft Store. Now search here Zoom. Now here select Zoom Cloud Meetings. Now click on Install. It will take a couple of seconds. Now once you successfully install, close it, click on Start and type Zoom and open this Zoom application. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps, we can know how to download and install Zoom in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.